What's up guys, welcome back to the KBFx channel. Today I want to talk about how I lost $200,000 trading Forex. I haven't always been a consistently profitable trader, so I paid them and then they never passed it for me. Excuse me. What's up guys, welcome back to the KBFx channel. Today I want to talk about how I lost $200,000 trading Forex. So how did I do this? Well, I lost the $200,000 in prop firm challenge capital. So that means that I took some trading challenges and I failed them. I blew them. And I did this through well, I was an amateur trader. I didn't have a trade plan, didn't have a trade strategy. In fact, the first challenge that I took was a 50k prop firm challenge with Nova funding, and that was I took it, I bought the challenge, and then the person told me if I bought the challenge and paid them, they would pass the challenge for me. Now, I really don't recommend anyone to pay someone to pass your challenge for you, because it's highly likely that they're not going to do it, and it's also highly likely that even if they did do it, you won't make any money on that account. So yeah, before I was a consistently profitable trader, I had taken trading signals and been told that this person, even though for some reason the signals didn't work, it was my fault, but they were still profitable. So yeah, obviously now that I know how to trade, I don't advise anyone take trading signals, or definitely don't pay people to pass your trading challenges, because it's not. Don't listen to those people. Please don't listen to those people. Learn how to trade yourself. It's better that you learn how to trade than have people hypothetically pass the challenge for you, which they most likely won't even do anyway. So yeah, I lost the 50k trading challenge because that person who promised to pass me the challenge didn't even end up taking any trades on it. So there was a time limit on that challenge, and I was like, wow, if this time limit just keeps ticking by and he doesn't trade on it, then it's just gonna be wasted money. So I started to trade on the challenge, made a bit of profit. I'd started to learn a little bit about trading. I say that I'd learned a tiny bit about trading at this stage, and so I managed to get a bit of profit, and eventually blew the challenge and lost the 50k. And yeah, the same goes for another challenge that I took. Took a 25k challenge with 5%ers. This was a while ago, and this is when they had a 30-day time limit. And literally I bought the challenge and I didn't realise that they had this 30-day time limit. Because I didn't do a micro lot trade, I failed the challenge. So yeah, that's 75k in challenge prop firm capital that I lost from the get-go from learning how to trade. So yeah, trading is one of those games where you have to lose before you can win. So that's the first amount that I lost. I lost around 75k in prop firm challenges before learning how to trade properly and getting proper guidance with a mentor. And then after that, I'd started to learn how to trade. I learnt more consistently profitable edge in the market that so I'd learnt my statistical edge in the market. When I'd learnt my statistical edge in the market, that's when I took some more prop firm challenges. So I took two 10k challenges after losing these ones. I took two 10k ones after getting a mentor, learning how to trade and back testing a strategy that was profitable. And then I took two 10k challenges, and they were phase 2 challenges. Passed phase 1, passed phase 2, got paid out. So I'd learned my edge in the market, and now I'm refining it. So you may be wondering, right, so that's 75k lost, and then you got those two 10k challenges passed. how does that equal losing 200k? Good question, because I also took a 100k challenge with E8 Markets, E8X, who are another prop firm, Capital, and lost this challenge with E8 Markets. It was a one phase challenge, which I don't really recommend you to do the one phase challenges. But after passing the two 10k challenges, what I'd basically done is I'd seen the potential of trading and the money to be made from trading. I kind of just wanted, to get that quick funding. So I took two 100k phase 1 challenges, one with Funded Next and one with E8. And essentially I passed the one with Funded Next, but I failed the one with E8 Markets. And the way I failed the one with E8 Markets is I essentially had was using a trade copier and wasn't using the correct lot size for the account, so it lost a lot of profit. Went into heavy drawdown on the E8 Market account, and unfortunately failed that challenge. And also, one thing that caught me out was on my past 10k challenge on Aqua Funded, there was a 30-day inactivity breach because the markets were slow. There wasn't any high probability setup, so I didn't trade for that month. And boom, just like that, my funded challenge was gone in an instant. My funded account was gone in an instant, and they took it off me for being inactive for 30 days. And then, so no, my apologies. I believe that was the Blue Guardian account that got withdrawn for inactivity. And then the Aqua Funded account, for some reason, it let me keep that one. But then I was like, wow, do I really want to faff around with these 10k accounts? Not really. I've got 100k funded now, so I literally after the Blue Guardian account breached me for inactivity, so that's another 10k loss, so 185k that puts us at. So after I lost my Blue Guardian one for inactivity, I also let my Aqua Funded one run out for inactivity, which I don't really know why I did this on reflection. I just thought it was just a bit too much hassle to faff around with a 10k funded account. I missed out on some profits by doing this, but I let it breach for inactivity because I wanted to focus on my more substantial accounts instead of these 10k accounts. So yeah, that's how I lost 195k trading Forex, prop firm Capital. Obviously 200k is just a cleaner number. I have definitely also lost, my own 5k somewhere along the line in trading as well, so it adds up to 200k. I lost 195k in prop firm Capital, and about probably 5k in my own personal capital. But yeah, this is something that definitely needed discussing. Forex trading isn't all sunshine and rainbows, unfortunately. It has its ups and downs, definitely has its pros, but it also has its downsides as well. So it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I know a lot of people think that trading is, it's all, well, it's painted out how it's painted out on social media. People think that trading is very easy, quick money. It's not. The real side of trading isn't what we were painted online. So yeah, be cautious of what you see on social media. It's a skewed version of reality on there. Obviously, we like to show our wins on social media. Most people don't really like to show their downs and their low points. We want to show our high points and our highlights. So yeah, I just thought this was a point that needed addressing. How I lost my 195k in prop firm Capital. It's not fun. It's not something that I want to talk about. Uh, you know, it's a painful topic, losing prop firm capital. It's not fun. It's something that, if you're in this game, you're gonna have to just deal with it and suck it up. And you can't win without. Well, you can't win a fight without taking a couple punches in the face, really. So yeah, just wanted to quickly jump on here, talk about this. I had a bit of an inspiration moment. Thought this needed addressing. This needed to talk about. I've been watching some Falcon FX videos on YouTube. Been motivating me to stick to the YouTube, stick to the trading. And yeah, definitely glad that I came across Falcon. I'm not going to be able to go to their London meetup coming up in a few weeks. Near the end of this month, because I'll be going to Benidorm with my nan and John and my brother Jordan. So yeah, fortunately I won't be able to make the London Falcon FX meetup, but I will be joining Falcon FX when I get back from holiday. I've downloaded some of their YouTube videos for the flight on my way to Benidorm, so I'll be wrapping my head around the concepts before I officially join early July. And yeah, I look forward to joining them because Mark Hutchinson seems like a really genuine dude, and I can see that he puts a lot of passion into his work. He's a very passionate person, so yeah, definitely look forward to learning the Falcon FX concepts, especially since finding out that my mentor learnt through him. So definitely worth me learning through him. I feel like it just makes sense as the next step to take me from that 6-figure funded trader to that 7-figure funded trader. I think Falcon FX would definitely help me to do that. So yeah, that's all I got to say. Can't really think of anything else I wanted to add. I'm gonna make like a little vlog video, I guess, of holiday when that comes around. And yeah, that's how I lost 200k trading Forex. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, love and prosperity. God bless. Drop them mic.